Welcome to how to set wallpaper in Snapchat. So in this video we are going to show you how to set wallpaper in Snapchat. But before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all you need to open up Snapchat and then you will go into this option, the chats option, and then basically you will open up that specific chat of whom wallpaper you want to change. So in this case I will open up this chat here and then you will tap on the chat name, and then here you can see this option where it says wallpaper. So just simply tap on wallpaper, and then here you can see that we have bunch of different wallpapers to add. You can also add images from your gallery as well. So you can just simply tap here and these are the images that are from your phone's gallery, and if there is any image that is saved in chat you can just simply add that image as a wallpaper as well. So I will just simply go into for us and I will just simply add this wallpaper here like this one, and then you will be able to see this wallpaper, and then I will just tap on confirm, and if I go back here you can see that we have now this wallpaper. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.